Here we have the offset caster wheels on the front, which reduces striping and gives the ability to move more easily and trim around corners. This unit has 1 to 4 inch cutting heights with 1/4 inch increments. There's an easy readout to tell what height you are mowing at, and this pin allows you to simply adjust the cut. There is precision steering and dual integrated transmissions, which you can see the reservoir right there, and also right here. Comes with the V-twin 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Color coordinated controls help in the operation of this unit. The yellow is the PTO engagement for the deck, and the orange have to do with the ability of the unit to move forward and backward, both with this throttle and also with the parking brake located by the operator seat. Rubber mats on the floor help to cut down on the vibration. It has the 54-inch high-capacity deck, which offers a great cut quality, but is also efficient so you can mow faster. It also cuts tall, wet, heavy grass just as efficient as if it were dry. It has a 20-inch high back seat, which provides comfort while operating. Located under the seat is a label that details service intervals and also a map with your belt placement.
Top speed on this unit is 9 miles per hour.
Here is the wide mouth, easy to get to 4.5 gallon fuel tank. It also offers a readout just under the operator's seat to see the level of fuel left in the unit. Here is the Easy Assist deck lift system. So when you want to go over an obstacle, all you have to do is push on the pedal.
The rear tires are wider and taller than similar units to give you a lot smoother ride. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.